Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 172. Solve, draw bar model to help you. Number 5. Alright, so Elena takes 80 photos on her vacation. She takes 4 times as many photos as Luke. How many photos does Luke take? Alright, here we go. So Elena takes 80 photos on her vacation. So here's my first bar model. And here's Elena. And she takes 80 photos. Now she takes 4 times as many photos as Luke. So here in those 80 pictures, she has 4 times as many as Luke. So if Luke has just 1, here's Luke, I'll use a different color. So if Luke takes this much, Elena needs to have 4 times as many as that. So I'm going to take Elena's bar model and I'm going to split it into 4 boxes because it's 4 times as many as Luke's, and she takes 80 photos. So how many photos does Luke take? So if you look at what I did over here, I took my 80 photos that Elena took and I split it into 4 groups. And when I split something equal into 4 groups, I am doing division. So here I need to do 80 divided by 4. Okay, so let's write that on long division. 80 divided by 4. Well, we know 8 divided by 4 is 2, with 8 on the bottom. And then we just have that 0 on top. So we know 80 divided by 4 is 20. So let's write that into a sentence. How many photos does Luke take? Luke, whoops. Let's get back there. How many photos does Luke take? Luke takes 20 photos. Alright, let's do number 6. Mr. King picked 54 peaches from his orchard. He picked 9 times as many peaches as Mr. Tang. How many peaches did Mr. Tang pick? Alright, so Mr. King picked 54 peaches from his orchard. Let's draw Mr. King, his 54 peaches from his orchard. I'm going to put a K there for King. And over here it says he picked 9 times as many peaches as Mr. Tang. So if Mr. Tang, put a T, he picked this much, that means Mr. King must have picked 9 times as many as Mr. Tang. So here I want to split my bar model into 9 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to extend this out. 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. So here I have my 54 peaches that Mr. King picked, and I split it up into 9 equal groups. So what I'm really doing again is 54 divided by 9. And here I want to count my 9 multiples to figure out what 54 divided by 9 is. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and 54 is right over there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means each one of these are 6s, which means Mr. Tang picked 6 peaches. And I'll write that in. Mr. Tang picked 6 peaches. Okay, and that's page 172.